What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Kraton 4S. I believe this is the V2. Yeah, I got this from, you know it, RC Discount Superstore. Got it at a nice price. Don't pay that tag price no mind. I got it at a nice deal. You guys need to go check that store out. He has some awesome deals, awesome RCs. Now, let's look on the outside of the box, see what it comes with. Let's see what they got on the, look on the outside, see what we working with. So, you got a metal slipper clutch now, a new metal upgraded slipper clutch. Got new bearings, all metal gears for the diffs now, so all metal. And you got a 2400 brushless kV motor. I don't know what kind of gear that is, but that gear is coming off. Yeah, there go the layout. Metal gear differentials. Yeah, this thing is nice, man. Let's open that box. Go, but let's see what kind of stuff we got. What kind of goodies we got in the goodie box. We got the, okay, let's pull this stuff out. You got the basic radio, SLT3. It's radio not bad, but I really was looking forward to the upgraded radio, the other one, the DX3. That's fine. So what you get in the box, get that radio, you get the manual guide, you get some tools. You got spacers, the tool to take the tire off, and so on. Now here go the car. This is what we've been waiting for. Plastic all the way half off, so I can't do the famous plastic pull. Give you my thoughts on it. That thing is pretty. It's nice. Not too hot with the turquoise color, but not bad. Now I love this. This is what I was just talking about with the Kraton. The 8S Kraton and the 6S Kraton. Put something right here to brace that right there, because you always damage the body right there. The body's pretty sturdy. You got tethers on there as usual. Yeah, this thing is nice. And underneath, there we go. It's good they starting to put this bearing right here, so it won't have less room to flex. Oh yeah, they got definitely upgraded. Oh, they got a brace bar. I didn't know it had a brace bar. Got a brace bar right there. There go the 2800 kV motor, 2400 kV motor. It's not bad. 4S ESC, most like 120 amps. Got adjustable turnbuckles in the front and in the back. Upgraded drive shafts. All metal gears. Nice thick bumper in the front. Y'all know what I'm gonna do with that. Y'all know exactly what I'm gonna do with that bumper right there. Nice thick bumper. The arms look pretty thick. Look at the underneath view. This is the rear arms. You got the basic Wheelie bar. Yeah, them arms is pretty thick. Pretty thick there. You got an option of two batteries of one, which I'm probably going to run one battery. But I like the option either I could run one 4S. Look at that suspension. Suspension is nice. Now the tires, we got the Copperhead 2 tires. They vented at the top, which, you know, I like it when they're vented at the top. Listen at that gear. But y'all know I'm gonna add my little thing to it. I just don't know what color to make it, because the dude got this turquoise body. Oh man, I like this. I like how they did. Arrma is doing their thing now. This is killing me right here. Like, y'all actually pay attention. You actually got something right there to stop that. Let's see how well it works, y'all, before I speak too soon. Wheelie bar is cool. You gotta check these bears in these Wheelie bars sometimes, though. After a while, they get run down. Yeah, this thing is a beast. Well, at least it looked like. I know it's gonna be a beast. I can't wait to run her. Let's check out the wing. Nice little sturdy wing. Wheelie bar. Stop that. Set to the top right here. Here's the overview. Here's the overview. I just realized this battery tray right here. Wow. They really did their thing. Like, oh, wow. Would that hold the battery in tighter? I don't know what that is. Let's throw that battery up in there. Always before you run your cars, I would suggest you calibrate it and check the lugs and most of the screws. But I'm gonna calibrate it first before I get into that. So let's cut it on. Yeah, I like to keep mine on. Oh no, it's probably too late. 50%. Make sure everything is level. Push it once for neutral. Full throttle, push. Full reverse, push. Let's take this monster out to see what she got. Yeah, that shit is a little beast on. I don't even. Yeah, this only on 50%. I ain't even gassed her up yet. Let me fix that steering and be right back. Alright, I got on 100% now. This thing got some push to it. Almost like I got lights in the back. This thing is a beast. That's why I got fucking skills. Yeah. He's not here now. What? Yeah. I think this thing hit some side wheelies. Yeah, but that's just a quick run. Just let y'all see what she looked like. This thing is a monster. I don't see nothing wrong so far. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. It's Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.